Every day, we face hundreds of decisions, from simple choices like selecting a morning coffee, deciding how to invest our savings, to determining whether to believe a piece of news on social media. In today's information explosion era, the boundary between truth and misinformation is increasingly blurred. We are surrounded by persuasive advertisements, viral articles designed to trigger emotions, and even sophisticated fake news. So, how can we make the right decisions in this challenging environment? The answer lies in critical thinking, a skill that can be trained and developed. Critical thinking isn't about finding faults or criticizing others. It's a methodical process of analyzing information objectively and reaching conclusions based on evidence rather than emotions or biases. Today, I'll share with you 5 tips to improve your critical thinking skills. Tip 1. Clearly identify the problem. The first and most important tip is to precisely identify the problem you're trying to solve. Often, we make decisions based on the wrong questions. We search for answers to one problem, while the real issue lies elsewhere. Consider the case of buying a new smartphone. Many people focus on the question, which phone should I buy? And begin comparing specifications, reviews, and prices of the latest models. But the right question might be, do I really need a new phone? Or what is my main purpose for using a phone? By asking the right question, you might realize that your current phone still meets your basic needs, or perhaps another device like a tablet might be more suitable for your needs. When facing a decision, take time to write down the specific question you're trying to answer. Then ask yourself, is this the real issue? Or is there a deeper problem that needs to be addressed first? Tip 2. Seek multidimensional information. The second tip is to seek information from multiple sources, especially those with opposing viewpoints. One of the biggest traps in thinking is confirmation bias, the tendency to only look for information that supports our existing beliefs. This is particularly dangerous in the age of social media algorithms, where we often find ourselves trapped in filter bubbles that only display content aligned with our own perspectives. Suppose you're considering following a trendy new diet. Instead of only reading articles praising its effectiveness, also explore objective scientific studies, opinions from qualified nutrition experts, and experiences from people who have tried but failed. You might discover that the diet is only suitable for specific groups of people, or that there are potential health risks not mentioned in the advertisements. Challenge yourself to find at least 3 different sources with different perspectives on the same issue. It's especially useful to seek out viewpoints that you initially disagree with. This doesn't mean you have to change your opinion, but it will help you understand the bigger picture. Tip 3. Check assumptions and logic. The third tip is to identify and examine hidden assumptions and logical connections in the information you receive. Every argument is based on some fundamental assumptions. Often, it's these unspoken assumptions that are the weak points in reasoning. Similarly, pay attention to common logical fallacies such as post hoc, assuming that if B happens after A, then A caused B, ad hominem, attacking the person instead of the argument, or straw man, distorting an opponent's argument to make it easier to refute. Consider an advertisement that claims, studies show 90% of users of product X saw improved skin after 2 weeks. It sounds convincing, but ask yourself, who conducted this study? How many participants were there? How were they selected? How was improvement measured? The study might have had only 10 participants, all employees of the company, and improvement might have been purely subjective. Or consider the argument, School X has the highest percentage of students with top grades, so it's definitely the best school for your child. The hidden assumption here is that high grades equals good education, but the school might focus solely on teaching students to take tests rather than developing creative thinking or life skills. When encountering an important argument, try listing the assumptions necessary for that argument to stand. Then, evaluate the reasonableness of each assumption. Ask yourself, what needs to be true for this conclusion to be valid? And is every step in the chain of reasoning logical? Tip 4. Consider long-term consequences. The fourth tip is to think about the long-term consequences and side effects of decisions. Humans tend to focus on short-term benefits and ignore long-term impacts. Critical thinking requires us to move beyond immediate attraction and consider the big picture. Consider the decision to buy a car. Many people only compare the initial purchase price without accounting for maintenance costs, fuel consumption, insurance, and resale value. A car with a higher initial price, but better fuel efficiency and durability, might be much cheaper in the long run if you calculate the total cost of ownership over 5 years. Or, in a social context, a city cutting its education budget might help balance the current year's budget, but could lead to increased unemployment rates, crime, and social welfare costs in the future. When facing an important decision, write down at least 3 short-term and 3 long-term consequences. Consider both direct and indirect impacts. Ask questions like, what would happen if everyone did this, or how will this decision affect me in 5 years? Tip 5. Embrace uncertainty. The final tip is to accept uncertainty and be willing to change your viewpoint when new information emerges. One of the signs of mature critical thinking is the ability to accept that most complex issues don't have absolute right-wrong answers. The world is full of ambiguity, and the ability to live with uncertainty is crucial. In the field of science, researchers continuously update their understanding as new data becomes available. For example, nutritional recommendations have changed significantly over the decades as research progresses. Fat was once considered the enemy. Now many types of fat are recognized as essential for good health. Or, in personal life, you might have believed that the career path you chose at 20 would be a lifelong choice. But as you mature and gather more experience, your perspective may change, and that's completely normal. Practice asking questions like, what might cause me to change my mind on this issue? And is there any evidence I'm overlooking? These skills aren't just valuable for major life decisions, but also for everyday situations that require judgment, from evaluating which news sources to trust, to deciding on financial investments, or even selecting the right educational path for yourself or your children. Critical thinking serves as your mental compass. By practicing these 5 techniques regularly, you'll find yourself becoming more discerning, less susceptible to manipulation, and increasingly confident in your ability to navigate complex situations. You might notice that as your critical thinking improves, you'll spend less time regretting poor decisions and more time learning from your experiences. Critical thinking also enhances your communication with others. When you understand how to evaluate arguments effectively, you can express your own thoughts more clearly and engage more productively in discussions. This skill is particularly important in our digital age, where anyone can publish information, and distinguishing credible sources from misinformation is increasingly challenging. Critical thinking is ultimately about intellectual humility, recognizing the limits of our knowledge while continually striving to expand them. Remember, the goal isn't to be right all the time, but to make the best decisions possible based on the information available. And sometimes, the wisest decision is to acknowledge that you don't have all the answers yet, and that's perfectly fine.